Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be part of a vibrant community that thrives on inspiration, motivation, and real-life experiences? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to Kazi Bapi Europe Vlog, a space where curiosity meets knowledge and storytelling meets reality. Here we pride ourselves on delivering a diverse array of content that captures the captivating world of manufacturing. From the smallest details to the grandest designs, prepare to be fascinated as we take you behind the scenes of this intricate industry. But our mission goes beyond just showcasing the nuts and bolts of manufacturing. It's about sparking curiosity, fostering understanding, and sharing insights that broaden your perspective. But it doesn't stop there. Life can be a roller coaster of ups and downs, and sometimes we all need a little motivation. That's where our motivational videos come in. Designed to uplift, inspire, and encourage, these videos share the stories of individuals who have surmounted challenges, achieved their dreams, and found strength amidst adversity. As you navigate your own journey, let their stories fuel your determination and passion. Now let's delve into the realm of authenticity with our Real Life Chronicles series. Life is a rich tapestry of experiences, and we believe in the power of real stories. Each episode brings you closer to the lives of individuals, their joys, their struggles, and their triumphs. We hope these stories resonate with you, offering a deeper understanding, empathy, and a sense of connection. And as you journey with Kazi Bapi Europe Vlog, remember you're not alone. Engage with our thriving community, share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with fellow viewers who, like you, are on this exciting path of discovery. We're not just a channel, we're a space for dialogue, inspiration, and personal growth. And yes, we'll also be sharing some exciting travel videos to keep you entertained and inspired. As we grow, we do so together, fueled by your unwavering support and love. In choosing Kazi Bapi Europe Vlog, you've chosen a destination for entertainment, education, and motivation. Whether you're here for the manufacturing marvels, the motivational moments, or the real-life narratives, we're thrilled to have you with us. Welcome to our community, where inspiration meets reality. Here's to the exciting journey ahead.